Hello everyone, welcome to Spa World. So now it's March in Ohio, the place I live in. So I'm going to start with the seed germination process again, indoors. So this time I've taken egg cartons like this and soaked my seeds in these for 24 hours. So as you can see, in each of the holes here, I've put one seed and put some water in there. If they're tiny seeds, I've added more seeds in each hole. Now I'm going to start planting them. This is how I've set up my seedling trays. So you can see small pots of varied sizes. So depending on the type of seed, I'm going to choose which pot to plant it in. I put Miracle Grow potting mix and watered it thoroughly. Now I'm going to put the seeds inside. I've taken this bottle gourd seed first and I'm going to plant it this side down. So the pointed tip should go down. Just cover it slightly. Just make sure the seed goes just a 1/4 inch deep inside, not more than that. I've taken beans. They grow very fast and they can become really big. So I've taken a bigger size pot and you just press it inside gently. Cover it with soil and we'll water it once all the seeds are planted. For tiny seeds, you don't have to worry about which position they need to go into the soil. You can just place them as it is and push them inside. So I'm done planting my seeds. So I'm going to water them thoroughly. So this is how I've set up in my house. I put this in an area closer to my glass door so that there's enough sunlight coming to these. If you don't have a warm spot in your house, you could even use grow lights. And the red light in the grow light would help with seed germination faster. So I have one more video in the past where I talked about grow lights and how I germinated my seeds last year, and also the status of how all the seedlings have germinated. So you could check out that video as well. I've put some post-its here so I'll remember what is in what pot. So here it says chilies and eggplants, and here I have a combination of multiple things. And these are more like Indian varieties of all bottle gourd and ridge gourd, bitter gourd, and some beans. So I'm going to use this to spray water every day whenever the soil feels dry. I got this from dollar store, and this is the perfect way to water your seedlings. So you don't water them too much, but just the soil needs to be moist. I usually do small scale gardening because I have limited space in my backyard. So that's why you would see max of 4 to 6 pots for each variety. That's it. I'll keep you posted on how these will grow. I hope this video was useful for beginners. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you like the video. Bye.